who? Tell me more, tell me more. What's up, guys? Look who I got out here today. The Rampage. Story time. I'm gonna give you guys the truth. The way I got as skilled as I am with RC boats is greatly due to the fact that I raced. Racing did a lot for me. I raced for 16 years. And the different things I encountered, different water conditions, different challenges through racing, in my passion for it, forced me to learn different things and tried so many different things. But anyway, Rampage 55. We're gonna make some passes. Water's kind of rough. Okay, it's not a big speed run, but it's gonna be fun. A new thing I'm doing with these high speed and matte finish boats, I'm putting the GPS on with siliconing it to the boat, because in a 100-mile-an-hour crash, that thing could come off. Think I'm playing with you, boy? Every time I blip it, she does a big wheelie. Okay, there's a little bit of roller.
External battery 30.
Just a little bit of roller.
0.
But I'm still gonna let it eat, dude. And I don't even say that term, let it eat. I'm still gonna I'm let it get with the program. Big hit.
Model speed 10 mile per hour.
Ooh. The fuck was that? That didn't sound good. Oh, that's a prop breaking. That was a prop breaking for sure. That was a prop breaking. Let's check it to be absolute certain, and it was a prop breaking. That prop broke. It just broke. Time to make some stainless.
External battery.
Well, I'll be doggone. Bust the gosh darn prop right. Bust the ear right off cotton picking prop. And that, my friends, is why I haven't released these yet. These are prototypes. Big high rakers. I'm gonna have to change something in my formula to be able to pull these off in CNC and be able to handle the torque of my big 8-pole motors. But I certainly will. I'm gonna focus on a stainless version of this. Subscribe to our channel. Remember that our products are the way they are because I run them. I test. I put them through rigorous testing before I put them out. And that's the spirit.